Hey everyone, welcome back to WPeka. In today's video, we'll deliver a more personalized and relevant experience for your visitors. While running a website, have you ever wondered how to customize the cookie banner content or message based on your visitor's location? If your answer is yes, then the WP Cookie Consent plugin's Geotargeting feature allows you to customize the cookie consent banner based on your website visitor's location, providing you a more personalized and relevant experience. But you must be wondering what exactly is geotargeting, correct? In simple terms, geotargeting delivers content or ads to users based on their geographic location. WP Cookie Consent's geotargeting feature allows you to display different banners, messages, or content to users from different countries or region. But why you should use geotargeting? Because it ensures compliance with diverse data privacy regulations and enhance user experience by displaying relevant messages. Additionally, geotargeting allows you to provide content in the user's native language, making your websites more accessible and engaging for a global audience. Now let's dive into the steps to implement geotargeting using WP Cookie Consent plugin. First, let's go to our WordPress dashboard. From your dashboard, navigate to WP Legal Pages plugin and click on WP Cookie Consent plugin. Now it will redirect you to the plugin's dashboard. From the plugin's dashboard, click on Cookie Settings. Within the Compliance tab, select the law that meets the targeted audience. Here I will select GDPR and CCPA. Now scroll down and search for the cookie banner geotargeting option. Now select these two checkboxes of EU countries and UK and the United States and simply click on Save Changes. Now, if you want to show these banners to other countries as well, you can choose a country from the drop-down list in the Select Countries option. Alternatively, if you have selected any law and if you want to show it to the world, you can just check the worldwide box and click on Save. And there you have it. By implementing geotargeting in WP Cookie Consent plugin, you can significantly increase your user experience and enhance and ensure compliance with data privacy regulations. In addition, tailoring to your content or messages to the specific region can significantly increase your engagement, trust, and website's overall success. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more web development tips and tutorials. Until then, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.